Okay, RM thrifting dark-haired bride doll find. I pulled this one out and I didn't know about her, so I must have forgotten I bought her. But the way her dress feels, and she's got some booties, so she doesn't have a stand. But she is a vintage doll. Her dress is real like. She is a wind-up, so I'll wind it up. If she is haunted or not, I don't know, but I think so. Sometime next year I might buy an EMF meter and bring the dolls out again and do some testing with them. But usually thrifting dolls, they are haunted. You just don't have the backstory. See if I can wind this one up. So that's her music, pretty soft. I have quite a lot of dolls I collected over the couple of years, so not like I picked all of them up over the summer. I just name it that way, the thrifting finds. So. But they've been collected over a couple of years, and I'm bringing some of them out. And yeah, see how shelving goes for next year. If there's a couple of shelvings I would like to get in a old desk up here. So if I could change this out to old desk, then it'd be a lot better. So that's her sound. I don't have very many music box dolls, so interesting. Interesting find as well. I don't know I had her. Whether she's haunted or not, but usually most dolls are. You just don't have the backstory on them, where they've been. Thanks for watching. I don't know how well you can hear the music. It's very quiet. Music box doll. And a bride doll. Here's a better view of her face. If I get a better camera next year, I don't know. So see how next year goes.